In today's video, we're going to be figuring out if Character AI creators can read and see your chats. According to Character AI's FAQ, creators cannot see your chats. The conversations between you and a character are private unless shared with the public. This means that the creator of the character you are chatting with cannot read the messages you send to them. However, the developers of Character AI may be able to access your messages, but they are anonymous and cannot be linked to your account. This is done to ensure the security of your data and to prevent any misuse of your personal information. Overall, Character AI takes the privacy of your chats very seriously. You can be confident that your conversations are safe and secure. So hopefully that answers your question for can Character AI creators see your chats? In short, no, they can't, but the Character AI developers may be able to access your messages if they need to have a look at it for some sort of reason. However, it is anonymous, so there's no way of knowing that it's you that sent those messages. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and hopefully you now know the answer to can Character AI creators see your chats. If you do and found this video helpful, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.